Imagine this. You've just been in a car accident in Visalia. The shock, the noise, the chaos, it's overwhelming. In moments like this, one of the most important things is knowing how to collect evidence after a car accident in Visalia. The truth is, accidents happen fast, and in the middle of it all, it's easy to forget what matters later. Without the right proof, it can be really hard to show who was at fault, how serious your injuries are, and what the accident has truly cost you. In this video, we'll break it down simply. First, why evidence matters so much. Then, the 5 most important types of evidence you'll want to gather. And finally, how timing and the right legal help can make your case stronger. Let's start with why evidence is so critical in a Visalia car accident claim. In California, it's all about proof. Insurance companies and courts rely on it to make decisions. Evidence shows 3 key things: who caused the crash, how badly you were hurt, and the real financial impact. That includes not just fixing your car or paying medical bills, but also losses like missed work or even emotional distress. Think about it like this: the stronger the evidence, the clearer your story becomes. From the NHTSA's own numbers, accidents cost billions every year. With solid proof, your case isn't just a claim, it's backed up by facts that insurers and courts can't ignore. So, what kinds of evidence make the biggest difference after a crash? Let's walk through the 5 most important ones. First, photos and videos. These capture everything from the damage to the cars, to skid marks on the road, to visible injuries. Then, police reports, which are often treated as reliable proof by insurance companies. On top of that, witness information is gold. They can back up your version of events. Medical records link your injuries directly to the crash, and other documents, like repair bills or employer letters about missed work, fill in the rest of the picture. In some cases, these even support bigger claims, like wrongful death or punitive damages. Now here's something people often overlook: timing. Collecting evidence quickly can make or break your claim. Why? Because waiting too long means skid marks fade, witnesses forget details, and insurers may question whether your injuries really came from the crash. Acting fast keeps your proof fresh and hard to dispute. Even a quick checklist helps: calling 911, snapping photos, noting witness details, getting medical care, and contacting a lawyer. Each step locks in the evidence while it's still clear and accurate. So let's recap. First, evidence matters because it proves fault, injury, and damages. Second, the top 5 types include photos, reports, witnesses, medical records, and supporting documents. And third, timing is everything. Collecting proof early keeps your case strong. If you'd like the full breakdown, we've put it all in the blog. It's a step-by-step guide to gathering evidence after a car accident in Visalia, and it's there to make things clearer when you need it most. At Farahi Law Firm here in Visalia, we know how tough it can be to deal with the aftermath of a crash. That's why we fight to protect your rights and secure fair compensation. You don't have to go through this alone. We're here to help every step of the way.